Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to 1v1 friend in CS2. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To open the developer console, go to the settings menu. Select the game and scroll down to enable developer console. Sign yes to activate the console. To click a button, use the keyboard and mouse to scroll down to open the toggle console. Then alter it. Type a map followed by an underscore. And type any map that qualifies as a map. To navigate a map, select the team. Check for bots. Skip and type status if you don't like the team. And you'll see at the second line, version. Copy the server IP address and share the text with friends. They should then type connect and your server IP on the console. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.